This is seriously like the best thing I've ever eaten. Okay. Hey guys, today when you're watching this is April 25th, 2018. I'm turning 16. I am a big fan of birthdays. I love birthdays. So every year I make myself some type of birthday dessert because I'm not really a cake person. I mean, I know I'm gonna get like a bajillion comments like how crazy am I, but I don't know, I'm just not a big cake person, but I love cookies. So I was thinking this year for my birthday, I would make a giant cookie. So I've seen these on like Instagram and YouTube a lot where like people make these like humongous cookies. They're very Instagrammable. So I figured I'd give it a try this year for my birthday and see how it comes out because I just love cookies. All right, let's head in the kitchen where we're gonna make this yummy dessert. The first step to making cookies is preheating your oven. So I'm gonna preheat my oven to 325 degrees. Usually you preheat the oven to like 350, 375, but since we have such a big cookie we're gonna be making, you have to cook it at a lower temperature so that it cooks slower and the inside is fully cooked and the outside's not burnt. All right, let's go get the ingredients. Alright, so I got all my ingredients and now I'm going to start making the cookie dough, so cue montage. Enjoyed that montage. I moved outside because the kitchen may or may not be a mess, so I'm just outside. As you can see, we made the cookie dough. It looks so good. I have a cookie sheet over here, and I'm literally just gonna kind of flop it down like that. Oh, there's a lot of extra cookie chocolate chips. So let's kind of just mash it together on here so we have even distribution. All right, this looks so good. I mean, come on, how good does that look? All right, so now that I have this humongous cookie over here, who knows how it's gonna bake in the oven, but let's go pop in the oven. My oven is at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I have no idea how long it's gonna bake, so I'll let you know how long it bakes after it comes out of the oven. All right, let's go back inside. Let's check on the cookie. Oh my gosh. That is the most beautiful sight I've ever seen. Look at this. I cannot get over this. It is so big. This is the biggest cookie I have ever seen. Oh my gosh. I just cannot get over the size of this cookie. This is crazy. I doubled a recipe for normal chocolate chip cookies that made 12 like small cookies, so that's 24 cookies worth of cookie dough in one big cookie. This is like the best thing ever. This is all I want on my birthday. I'm literally now making this every single year. I just cannot get over it. Do you guys even see how big this is? This is the best thing I've ever seen ever. Okay, so now that this cookie is done, I don't really have any candles to be honest, so I'm just gonna cut right into it. All right, I have a big knife over here. I'm gonna split it down in half. Oh my gosh, please be cooked on the inside. All right, oh, that looks cooked. Oh my gosh, please be cooked, please be cooked. All right. Also, please note, I let this cool before I just did this so that I don't burn myself. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, it is cooked. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. All right, I gotta show you this. Let's do that signature YouTube, Instagram picture you see of the huge cookie. This is actually incredible. All right, I just washed my hands and now it is time to cut open a slice of this cookie. Okay, let's get a nice big slice. I cannot get over how good this looks. I know I keep saying that, but this seriously is like the most appetizing thing I've ever seen. Okay, let's go in for a bite. All right, before I even talk, I'm going for a second bite. This is seriously like the best thing I've ever eaten. Okay, I cannot even explain how good this is. Okay, let me break that down for you. It is literally what it looks like. It is a massive, chewy chocolate chip cookie that is just heaven. I am in cookie heaven right now. I cannot even handle this. It is like the best thing that's ever even happened. I'm going to be making this every single year on my birthday. Like, I wish I could give this to every one of you watching. It is seriously that good. It is exactly as good as it looks. All right, that was so good. That lived up to every expectation I had and more. There was a little bit of light left outside. It is Friday afternoon right now when we're recording this, and I need to go take the picture for my Instagram for my birthday, so I'm gonna take you guys along with that too. All right, this cookie's done. Now let's go take some pictures. All right, so I just finished eating that delicious cookie. Now we are walking in the park to the train tracks to take a picture for Instagram, my kind of like turning 16 Instagram picture. I'm wearing this like Kanye West inspired outfit, if you want to say, which is like all nude colors. I don't know, I just found it on Amazon and I was like, I'm gonna buy that. So let's take that picture now. Check out this sick location. Alright, do we have enough?
We have way too many.
Alright, so we just finished location 2. Hopefully we got a good picture. If we did, you can check it out right now on my Instagram at Chef Eitan Bernath to see the final picture. Alright, this was super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button for tons of more awesome videos. Bye!